I'm at Best Buy doing an unofficial hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I did play with the Note 10 Plus for a little while, but it was the Note 10's 1080p dynamic AMOLED display that I was that much more intrigued with in comparison to the Note 10 Plus 1440p display. And I'm going to tell you something, man. This display is punchy, it is vivid, it is sharp, it is gorgeous, it is beautiful. It's all of those things. For the most part, the average consumer is not going to tell the difference between the 1080p on the Note 10 to the 1440p on the Note 10 Plus. With that being said, I also wanted to check out a little bit of the performance, the fluidity of the 60 Hz display. Should have been 90 Hz, but it is what it is. 60 Hz on both the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and everything working great with the demo device. Yep, it's a demo device, but it's still doing what it needs to do. And I'm sure for the most part, that's the experience that all of you are going to get, whether you bring in the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. Both the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus have stereo speakers. At the bottom right hand corner, we have a speaker. Up top next to the SIM tray, we have a second dedicated speaker. Something completely different in design than I've seen on any smartphone. A lot of us thought we might be getting an IR blaster or some sort of LED notification light. Either way, both speakers work great, sound amazing. So check out these pictures. There's my wife's Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in comparison to the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10. Okay, the Note 8, pretty much the same size as the Note 10 Plus, pretty darn close. There's my S10 Plus in the middle between the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And there is my OnePlus 7 Pro between the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10. Aesthetically in design, the cameras on the back of the Note 10, Note 10 Plus have a different layout. We are now vertical instead of horizontal. And it looks really nice. These devices really feel solid in hand. They look great. Samsung did a great job when it came to designing these smartphones. And that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I am out.